In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the main power window switch in a Jeep Grand Cherokee. So to remove the power switch, you just take a trim tool, plastic preferably, and you're just going to go right under that and pop it up. There's just 4 little metal tin clips that press it in. And now you can see the actual connector. I take a small screwdriver and disconnect that red safety lock, push up on it, and you push in on that gray tab and pull that out. You can use a little screwdriver to help. Go ahead and reverse the procedure. Click that in, push that red tab down, push that cable in. You see you have 4 of these little tin tabs, pops into place. When only the best will do, demand TRQ, the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.